Maybe.
I think so. All right, guys. Well, we know that we can't always get along, right?
Oh,
We're gonna
why can't we all get along?
Is who did say that again?
Rodney King.
Is he?
Yes.
Oh. All right. We're gonna have our differences as men and women, as women and women, as men and men. And if we get to the point where you hear a woman say any of these words that we are about to tell to
Oh,
you,
yes.
then it means that it's gone from 0 to 100 in a millisecond, and there are serious repercussions to be had. We call it escalation, ramping up,
Yes.
DEFCON 4,
Yes.
and any other term you want to use.
Yes.
So, the first one is...
word. And this and it depends on the tone in which it's said, by the way.
You know the tone, man. The tone is...
No, it's two tone, because one tone would be...
Oh, yeah.
One tone is fine. That's one word. Fine. When you say fine, the next tone is...
Fine.
Yeah. Woo! Let me tell you something.
Either
you
way.
say fine, bad, but workable. You see that one there?
It's over.
You see, fine
It's done.
means
It's done.
start singing Abide with me.
It is,
It's done.
A word women use to end an argument when she knows she's right and you need to shut up. I think it means more than that.
Yeah, it's like she don't want to hear nothing more.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It's like, all right, so what you want to do, what you want to do. Doesn't matter anymore. I'm now indifferent, so
Yeah.
fine.
These are kind of like checkout words.
Yeah.
So gentlemen, I don't mean like at the supermarket or at the cashier. I mean like she's just
Done.
yeah,
Done.
headspace gone.
And 2 months later when you say, but you did say you're fine. Remember, we told you that's not what fine means. Nothing. Hey.
What, babe, what happened to you? What is wrong?
Nothing.
Bwah, bwah, bwah. It done.
And nothing that mean seriously.
Call it the infantry.
If you ever ask me what wrong with me, that mean I ain't going to nothing. Cause you're supposed to know.
And if you ask 5 times,
Nothing.
nothing. But baby, don't look at. It's okay. Nothing's wrong. It's fine. And if you get those 2 in a combo, if you get the nothing fine combo,
Nothing.
you don't need no fries or drinks to complete that order. That one is done.
If you hear
Signed
nothing,
and
it's
sealed.
fine. Start thinking about cruise, vacation. What can I do to fix this? Third one. Oh. The only thing missing from this is if you're bad. Go ahead. If you're bad, that's really what it said.
I love that graphic that Kadeen used with that skull and the...
Yeah, the skull and the pink balls. This is a dare, by the way. It's not permission. Do not do it. Men, you do it. And then you say, but you tell me something for go ahead. No. Go ahead means, okay, stop, man. Are you where talking?
See, Jody with the monopoly. You got it, Joe. Don't pass go. Do not take $100. Do tap.
Go to jail. Go directly to jail.
It's a red light.
All right, go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Honey, is it okay if I miss the anniversary dinner? Come, me and my brethren them want to play domino. Go ahead.
Enjoy.
Go ahead. It's fine.
Enjoy yourself.
Go ahead. It's fine.
It's nothing. Go. It's nothing.
Go ahead. It's fine. Oh, you said that, so something wrong with you? Nothing. Start pack.
Yeah.
Stop.
Go up. Go on.
See the next one, yeah?
Yes. Okay.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever is woman's way of saying forget you. Well, actually, whatever is a way of saying
it's water off your back at that point.
Me never go waste
it's
energy
not worth the energy.
This conversation here.
It's not worth the energy. It's not worth the time.
And, yeah. So what you want to say, do what you want to do. Whatever.
Telling you these are checkout words.
Whatever. This is when she's tired, you know.
These are checkout words.
Whatever. Yeah. It's fine.
Yeah.
Whatever. Go ahead.
And then this one says, that's okay. That's okay.
She's thinking
Jody,
long and
that's you?
hard and how and when you will pay for your mistake.
That's okay.
Honey, I didn't come home in time
This
for the
one.
anniversary dinner. I'm so sorry you cooked and I didn't have it. That's okay.
That's okay is related to go ahead. Go ahead, babe. That's okay.
That's okay. It's fine.
Whatever.
Whatever.
You sure
That's
you have
okay.
a problem? Something wrong
Whatever.
with that?
That's okay.
Nothing. You're good, hon. Enjoy yourself.
So,
Have a good time.
especially in them COVID time, yeah, where we get home together.
Oh gosh.
It's very good
Yes.
for
that's-
you
I
to
think that's
learn these little linguan things
Yeah,
and
I think
things.
that's a topic we should look at too. You know, 'cause I hear some people bawling about their relationship and quarantine in the time of COVID.
Look here. I saw one yesterday, I'll tell you off the air. But I saw one, the man said, now that there's no sports on TV, there's a lady sitting on my sofa who says she's my wife.
Yes, I
Him
saw
say-
it.
and she's actually very nice.
I mean, we take it back laugh, but a lot of people are learning a lot of things about their partners
Look
during this
here.
time that they will not
Look
know.
here.
And do you know that they say that divorce cases in China have spiked
But it
out
must.
of this COVID
But
because
it
of
must.
quarantine?
But it must. Because all who never used to like cook, but when I come home, I grab something, carry come give you. Now when the man say,
Jesus Christ.
so what to dinner? And she say, but when Mary didn't know, so me never in the cooking thing.
I would
So now that
love
with the woman in a quarantine, what me fi eat? Me no know. Biscuits?
What's your question, Mr. Harrow? What is your question? What's your question? I wonder if you want.
I like soft man who have to
Why my
stay
pen
at
keep
home now.
dropping?
Yeah, problem.
It's true. Well, actually, this could be good for surfers. Actually,
No, I don't.
think
It's good
because
for him, but bad for
no,
his
when he
wife.
have to leave his house, he end up in the wrong places and then he end up in
Yes.
problem.
All right, news. We gotta go.
Oh, okay.
We
All
gotta
right,
go.
gentlemen. No.